Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best mechanical keyboard. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. DOS Keyboard 4 Professional Mechanical Keyboards. The DOS Keyboard 4 boasts a standard-looking design, yet it doesn't lack in quality. It features keycaps made with high-grade ABS plastic. The figures and letters on this mechanical keyboard's keycap surfaces are laser etched to ensure they don't fade away that easily. Under the DOS Keyboard 4 keycaps lie the high-performing Cherry MX Brown switches. The switches boast a unique tactile feel and don't get overly clicky, thanks to the soft pressure point technology. The Cherry MX Brown switch lends equal performance to gaming and other work-related tasks, which involves typing. Number 2. Razer BlackWidow Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Razer BlackWidow Elite is a versatile keyboard, built for convenience and increased productivity. This keyboard boasts programmable macro keys, which offer several productivity-related benefits. It lets you assign custom actions to diverse keys. The BlackWidow Elite has what it takes to make gaming more enjoyable. Programmers and coders are also not left behind. The keys are super responsive and precise. So, if you want a keyboard that lets you type fast and accurately, the Razer BlackWidow Elite is an excellent choice at this price point. Number 3. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K95 is another impressive programming and coding keyboard on the market. It boasts a unique build quality and responsiveness that's unbelievable for a keyboard at this price point. This Corsair K95 is a wired-only mechanical keyboard built with solid plastic material and aluminum chassis. The padded wrist rest is another highlighted feature of this keyboard. The wrist rest is detachable and boasts a soft, touch finish that makes you feel comfortable during any long workday. You can also detach the wrist rest with ease. Just push it upward, and it will pop off. This keyboard's Cherry MX Brown switches are one of a kind. Number 4. Logitech G910 Orion Spark. This Logitech G910 is a beast of a keyboard despite its price point. It features superfast actuating switches, which claims to offer 70 million presses. Not many famous buttons can match this. The G910 features wired connectivity and some hotkey functions. It also offers 9 programmable G keys, which lets you create custom macros to execute complex commands much faster and precisely. So, whether you're a gamer, programmer, or coder, the Logitech G910 is for you. Its Roamer G switches actuation is one of the fastest you will find at this price point. Number 5. Corsair K70 RGB MK.2 Rapidfire Mechanical Keyboard. Corsair's superiority is evident in the K70 RGB MK.2 mechanical keyboard. The K70's versatility is noteworthy. And it delivers excellent performance when used for gaming, programming, and coding. This mechanical keyboard boasts diverse switches, so you can choose the one you prefer the most. The switch options include the Cherry MX Brown, Blue, Red, Speed, and Silent Red. However, this K70 RGB MK.2 features the Cherry MX Speed switches, which are reliable, accurate, and blazingly fast. The switches boast 1.2mm actuation, making it a wise choice for programming, coding, and gaming.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.